Hello everyone, this is Cynthia So Blessed. Welcome back to my channel. I am back at it, guys, trying to do a Louis Vuitton pillow cover. What I have done, I printed out a Louis Vuitton symbol. I traced it onto my pillow cover with some acrylic paint, some white acrylic paint. I did it very lightly. Don't look like it, but I did. And I also had cut out some gems, my diamond wrap, and what I'm going to be doing is pretty much outlining this Louis Vuitton symbol with diamond wrap. So I hope everyone is doing fine today, and if you want to see what I'm doing, then keep on watching. So guys, as we had already said, I had printed a Louis Vuitton symbol off of the computer. Then I had cut it out, as you can see. I place it onto the pillow cover and I trace it with some white paint. Then I went ahead and got my scissors and I cut out some bling wrap. So guys, let's get started. But how is everyone doing today? Hope everyone is doing fine. On this here Thursday, we're so close to the week. I want to give a shout out to all my new and old subscribers. Thank you so much for riding along with me. I appreciate it, and I appreciate all those nice comments I've been getting. So guys, let's begin. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like so far. We just need to go across here and over here. Okay, so I already cut out some strips for this area. Just need to cut it out, pretty much trace it, and that's it. Just trace it on here, cut it about right there, and hot glue it. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. Let's move some of this stuff out the way. And this is your Louis Vuitton symbol. So let's finish it up. Okay everyone, this is the final look of the Louis Vuitton pillow cover that we DIY tonight. All I have to do is just add this little piece right here to there, and then we'll be done. And that completes our Louis Vuitton pillow cover. I'm gonna do one more and to go with this one, and I may take you along with that one too. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy this here DIY. I just need to add that piece right there, hot glue that in, and that will be it. That will be it. So guys, until the next video, I will see you, yes, you, and you in the next video. If you like this here video, this DIY, let me know in the comment section. So guys, once again, you guys have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.